Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am present in the Business Line newspaper headlines. So, first of all, FY24 growth may be hit by global finance issues, risk to farm output from rains failure. Next, SEBI stops brokers from using client funds for bank guarantees. Next, wheat procurement up PDS quota may be back. Next, CCI began inquiry into non-compliance by Google. Next, Bengaluru Mysore Express driving local out of biz. Next, on page number 2 in news section of that, better than most deals, IPCA on expensive Unicam buy. Next, with effective treatment back, hospital pharma firm grow. Next, Dalmia Bharat's net profit up 125% to rupees 609 crore. Next, OTO aims to expand its EV portfolio in FY24. Next, Zip Electric Zomato to deploy 1 lakh EVs by 2024. Next, Nestle India is net up 25% in quarter 1. Next, Bajaj Auto report marginal rise in quarter 4 net at rupees 1468 crore. Next, Mahindra and Mahindra launches Bolero Max pickup at rupees 7.85 lakh. Next, Maruti upgrades vehicle to meet BS6 norms. Next, Adani Ports has enough cash to fund $130 million notes purchase. Next, Tata Consumer Products quarter 4 net up 24% strong demand. Next, India BIS revenue stay so strong growth in quarter 1 2023 PepsiCo. On page number 3 news section of that, e-commerce firms would not be allowed to build a special platform for ONDC. Next, renewable energy projects SCCI and TPC to float bids of 15 gigawatt each in FY24. Next, NPCI Bharat Bill Pay launches NOCS platform to process ONDC transaction. Next, Indian banking system less prone to SVB kind of episodes Finmin report. Next, steel imports surge 45% to 7 MT in FY23. On page number 4 in think section of that, unfair trade practices. Next, funds flow to states satisfactory. Next, professionalizing the role of independent directors. On page number 5 in think section under that, Biden just cannot give up. Next, it's the global showdown effect. Next, EU will largely cut off UK's financial sector. Next, on 20 years ago today in that, BPCL sees hurdle to ADRs. Next, try amends telecom tariff order again. Next, debt buyback from banks to be affected by June. Next, on page number 6, in market radar section of that, Nippon India AMC net profit up 13% on higher income. Next, Wipro potential share back to boost investor confidence. Next, Sensex Nifty rise for second day power share gain. Next, HDFC AMC net up 2% to pay rupees 48 share has dividend. Next, Chola Investment NCD offers yield up to 8.40%. Next, coupons are reasonably attractive for investors. On page number 7 in news section under that, state government borrowings cost dip as bond yields soften. Next, AU Small Finance Bank post highest quarterly PAT of rupees 425 crore. Next, RE2 stay range bond. Next, Anand Maheshwari named NASCOM chairperson. Next, notices issued for availing ITC on fake invoices. Next, RBI notifies Adore Co-op Urban Bank as non-financing institution. Next, AMI organic forays into semiconductor industry. Next, UK Finmin tied to expand offering for India. Next, expansion in value of new business to be driven more by volumes. ICICI Prudential Life MD. On page number 8 in agri commodity section of that, palm oil slides to first week low on weak exports. Next, wheat procurement gather pace 50% of target achieved. Next, chana shipments pick up on demand from Bangladesh, Iran. Next, ISMA cuts sugar production estimate to 32.8 million tons of this season. Next, gold slips on firmer dollar as US Tata zooms into focus. Next, Jira prices dip on profit booking, high exchange trading margin. Next, burst myths on use of GM crops in aqua feed exports. Next, pesticide residue species industry seeks better supply of approved chemicals. Next, Indo UK FTA going may be tough on agri front. Next, women in dry sector must have easy access to loans. Next, castor seed retain short position at rupees 6,180 crore 180 rupees. On page number 9 in news section that DBT averted leakage of rupees 50,000 crore subsidy in FY22. Next, India has a bright spot of development on the global landscape, says PM. Next, former Punjab CM Prakash Singh Baddal no more. Next, SBI open exclusive branch of startups. Next, government starts evacuating Indians from Sudan. Next, Gujarat issues a new policy for PSU on minimum dividend disruption bonus issue. On page number 10 in news section that Joe Biden announces plan to seek re-election in 2024. Next, IT firms client additions fell in FY23. Next, IT spend to moderate to 7.8% this year, IDC. Next, ICCI begins inquiry into non-compliance by Google. Next, China to expand export of key products. Next, UK government moves to block nurses strike. Next, Biocon Biologic Serum Institute recast pact for vaccines and biology products. Next, Adhar Poonawalla Serum Institute's chief executive said that this was one of the company's largest investment in a strategic alliance. Next, India made contaminated cough syrup found in Western Pacific, say WHO. Next, Pharmixel inks MOU with Korean drug makers body. Next, has summer sets in ice cream sales to hot up. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.